Good morning, everybody. You're all welcome to this workshop. I appreciate you for coming. Yes, most of you must have come from your different companies to this workshop. My name is Meglin Ngozi Iyida. We want to discuss on a very good topic today, which is maintaining good personal hygiene. We are to prevent transmittable diseases like flu and COVID-19. Most people forget that their hands should be washed before and after some actions. Maintain good personal hygiene by observing the following CWs. When you visit the sick, wash your hands. When you use the loo, wash your hands. Toilet or restroom. When you touch animals, wash your hands. When you come back from work, wash your hands. Wash your hands before and after touching food or fruits. Wash to your elbow with soap under clean running water for 20 seconds or use hand sanitizer. I want to explain on those points I have given, the 6 W's. They are very, very important. As you visit the sick person, make sure you wash your hands. Very, very important. When you enter the toilet, you use the restroom. There are many diseases everywhere. As you use your restroom, make sure you wash your hands. When you come back from work, remember you must have touched different people at your working place. Even on your way coming back, you really have to wash your hands. When you are cooking, wash your hands before you touch your fruit or vegetables. Whatever you want to use to cook, wash your hands. And after touching these things, your food and your fruits, wash your hands. I prefer washing to the elbow with soap under clean running water for 20 seconds or use alcohol-based sanitizer. When you can use this alcohol-based sanitizer is when you are not at home. When you go out, you don't have water, you should be able to use your sanitizer. That's why I say we need to stay safe. Okay, you, yes, thank you. You say you have a question? Please, can you ask your question now?
Yes, my question is, how do we get a sanitizer?
Okay. You say, how do we get sanitizer?
Yes.
Okay. You need to go to shops, stores. It is sold in supermarkets. You get it all those places. You can get them there.
Okay. Another question. The other question is, people who live in the rural area, we don't have a shop that sells sanitizer. Is there no other way we can get sanitizer?
Yeah, other ways you can get sanitizer. You can prepare it yourself. You can prepare it yourself. You can prepare it yourself. There are locally made good sanitizer. Yes, there's a story I want to actually tell every one of us today. There is Mr. Zigzag that works on a rig as a new employee. but fell ill. The company decides to take him to the hospital after his test results. They discover that he has an infectious transmitted disease. That shows he does not maintain good personal hygiene. So the doctor encouraged him to follow the 6 W's I mentioned above. After his treatment and cure, the patient continued to observe the rules on maintaining good hygiene on a regular basis. There should be more enlightenment on this topic, maintaining good personal hygiene. It will help those of us here who are of the ages of 20 to 50 so to live a healthy life. In fact, this is a fight for every one of us to lead. Remember, hygiene is a practice performed to preserve health according to World Health Organization, WHO. Hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Personal hygiene refers to maintaining the body cleanliness in a bid to cope with the spread of diseases like flu and COVID-19 and other transmitted diseases. We actually need to wash our hands so that we don't spread infectious diseases. This is very, very important to every one of us. My quote is to every one of us here: health is treasure. Treasure your health. Treasure it very well. It is very, very important. Yes. Now, I can see that we all need to take a break now. We'll come back, and as we come back, we're going to do the practical aspect of all I've said. Thank you for viewing and listening to this. Thank you for this workshop. For more details, please contact us at meglin@gmail.com or CDC 247, saving lives, protecting people. I don't go touch now.